Hey guys, I'm here with the good folks from HPI. They've got some awesome products that you guys should know about. Pretty much, you may already know about them, but these are the faces behind the company. And
Mary Jo.
Eric. So like, can you give me an idea like how you guys got started or whatever, or with your products?
Well, back in 2002, we knew that fuel injection was fairly new to Harley-Davidson, and
Fuel injection was relatively new into the Delphi years. They started at Magnetic Rally. We got started shortly after that, basically with our first Throttlebody. We got involved in the brute horsepower shootout. At that point, there was a deficiency on, we couldn't make enough power with the motor due to the Throttlebody. It was undersized. So essentially we made an oversized product, and that was the start of basically horsepower ring.
Okay, awesome. So, and you guys have, I've seen that you guys done a lot of stuff with the old throttle bodies, like the conversions for Magnetic Morelli, and then the stuff with the twin cam, and you guys are doing stuff now for the Milwaukee 8 now as well, right?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, we cover basically every model year fuel injection for Harley.
Okay, cool deal.
Yeah.
Well, definitely it's a pleasure meeting you guys.
thank you very much.
And
Nice meeting you.
yeah, thank you. All right.